Clearing the oil change due or maintenance due indicator on your 2023-2025 Hyundai Palisade is straightforward and helps maintain optimal vehicle performance. First, access the reset function through the vehicle's 12.3-inch touchscreen. Navigate to the settings menu on the infotainment screen. Alternatively, you can use the steering wheel controls to access the menu. Look for buttons that control mode, cruise control, or phone functions to navigate. Once you've performed the maintenance, such as an oil change, return to the vehicle and confirm the reset in the settings menu to clear the indicator. The reset function is a software toggle that interfaces with the vehicle's engine control unit and oil quality sensors, which are standard features on 2023 and later models. Remember, no tools are required for this reset. Hyundai recommends having the reset verified by a professional to maintain warranty coverage. Typical service intervals are 7,500 to 10,000 miles. If the reset doesn't save, ensure your Palisade has the latest software updates, including the patch released in March 2025 to address firmware glitches. Low battery voltage during the reset process can also cause failures. Automotive experts recommend against DIY resets without confirmed service to avoid voiding warranties. The industry trend is shifting toward connected vehicles with predictive maintenance. By 2026, expect potential integration with Hyundai's BlueLink app for remote resets, currently in beta testing. Future systems may auto-reset based on verified service records, minimizing user input. With increased EV adoption, hybrid Palisade models introduced in 2024 may require altered service intervals and more frequent software updates.